Hi, I'm Major Nippy Betts, and I am the president of the Scholarship Leadership Institute and the founder of Scholarship TV. If you haven't checked us out, we've been around doing this for years, and we want you to be a part of our monthly Q&A calls where we help kids, whether they're in middle school, high school, or college, learn how to earn more scholarships so they can get into the colleges of their choice. Now, again, it's a part of our main course, the Scholarship Leadership Institute, and we have a monthly membership where people pay us monthly, $50 a month. Is like a subscription service, and we've helped them now. That number says 40 million. It's over 60 million in scholarships, and you can test drive us, try us out, and learn more about what it is that we do here at the Scholarship Leadership Institute. But for free, Scholarship TV, you can subscribe today and learn more from me about what it is that we do. Learn the testimonials, read some of the books that I put out. Just look at the video books, look at some of the inspirational videos. We motivate you. We motivate your kids. We also have a Scholarship TV video blog where you can go and look and learn little tidbits, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, of little snippets that you can learn, and we're adding more as we go. And then if you're a part of my Facebook group at Major Bets, you can get lots of tips and techniques and join some of our free training sessions we have. So you don't want to miss this opportunity, whether I'm on the beaches of Hawaii or trying to fight dinosaurs and protect my wife like I'm doing. Be a part of it. Check us out. But the best part of us is Scholarship TV, the Q&A monthly calls that we do at 7 o'clock, one Sunday a month. And we've been doing this since for years, but we have all the recordings from like 2016 on this site. And you can go back and look at any month and check out the information we're teaching you. And then just say, I want to know more about how it is that you teach people. To the school I just showed you. Small world. I mean, that is crazy. Out of all the schools I could have picked in the nation, out of all the— So I'm talking to my clients around the nation right now, and one of them happened to be saying that the thing that I just showed them was for the school that they're at. This is every month I teach this stuff. I give them sheets. I show them how to do things they need to do, whether they're middle school, high school, or in college. This works if you work it. And we meet every month, and we do the same thing. Last month I talked about August. I talked about disciplining your mind, and then also about finding scholarships by dates, by states, and by grades for sixth graders. You're missing out. If you're not doing this work and then applying for scholarships, you're missing out. So join us here for the Scholarship TV monthly Q&A calls, which is a part of our monthly subscription service in the Scholarship Leadership Institute. All we're waiting for is you. But if you're not a part of Scholarship TV, if you're not taking advantage of it, even with the free YouTube page or the Facebook group, you're missing out. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care. God bless. Go to SLI and visit us today. Learn more about what it is that we're doing, and then get enrolled so you can join us with our Scholarship TV monthly Q&A calls, or just take advantage of some of the free resources. It's Major Bets. I'm checking out from the Scholarship Leadership Institute and Scholarship TV. God bless. Take care.